I will be creating a 5-minute loop that will include a couple of music tracks and a rain sound effect. So first we have a video loop. It can be a compound clip as well, together with your animations. Make sure it's a looping one. Then I will add my rain loop and all the music tracks that I have, like that. Now, some of the music tracks have quite a big gap without any sound, so I'll make sure to select it, split, and delete part that doesn't have any music. Same I'll do here as well. Split, delete. And now I want to make a smooth transition from one music track to another. To do that, we're gonna overlap each other, perhaps 3-4 seconds. We select the first one, basic, have fade in and fade out. So we're gonna choose a fade in of perhaps 4 seconds. And the bottom one is already fading out, so I don't need to change nothing here. Just like that, we have one smooth transition here. Then I'll move to the next clip. Again, I want to create a fade in of 4 seconds, and this one will fade out in 4 seconds as well. Perhaps I'll move a little bit further. I'm happy with that. Then make sure to move to the track below. Like this. Take the video loop, duplicate, hold Alt button, select all, hold Alt button again, and make sure it matches more or less the length of your music tracks. And it's important that you don't split the animation loop, you keep it as a whole. And now, just before the last track is finishing, I'm gonna cut anything that sticks out of 5 minutes range, go to split, take this very last part and drag it all the way to the very beginning. Place it just below all the tracks. I will disable rain for the moment. And here in this case, I want to make fade out on this one and fade in on the other track here above it. So I'll make it the same here, fade in, let's say 4 seconds. And this one will fade out in 4 seconds. And if you play, perhaps I'll make this one to fade in even longer. How about 10 seconds? Yeah, that's awesome. Then I will enable the rain. Again, I will duplicate to match as close as possible to 5 minutes. And as you can see, sticking out, let's say the 5 minutes time frame. We're gonna do the same. We're gonna split it. We take the last part, we drag it all the way to the beginning. I will squeeze in between the music and the rain, and here again the rain will fade in slowly about within 4 seconds, and this rain will fade out in 4 seconds. But if you move this fade out indicator, you see it's fading out at the very end, but we want it to happen at this part. And solution is very simple. We take this one, we split it, and we delete, we don't need it. So by having this selected, we're gonna again do fade out all the way 4 seconds. And how about this one? We can increase to 6, like that. Yeah, looks nice. And now if you select everything, right click, create compound clip. And now you have everything nicely grouped in one clip that has all the audios and sounds and animations, of course. And now you can duplicate even up to 5 or 8 hours in literally just seconds.